Hey guys, welcome back to first of all, Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope this 2026 brings you a lot of money and I wish you all the very best for this coming year. Let's start with what happened last week. So we had these markets for the last week which I was interested in. First one is Euro USD. So Euro USD, I've told you guys weekly was bullish, daily was bullish, and 4 hour was bullish. And we were waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest, and then that's where we gonna look for our entries and then shoot up. So price has just come to the area of interest, and today is Friday, so market's already closed. So we'll be taking our first trade of this year on Monday. So I'm still interested in this because weekly is bullish and daily is still bullish. This is the high. This is the high and this is still the high low. So price has not broken below this previous high low. So the price is still bullish, so I'm still interested, but I will do my analysis again tomorrow and we'll see how the markets are doing. But yeah, as of now, this is the scenario for Euro USD. Next one is GBPNZD. So this was my pair of the week. I was looking to sell on this area of interest. I told you there was a rejection from this previous structure point, but I also mentioned that I will wait for this candle to close first, and I want to see how this candle closed, and this candle closed bullish. It broke the previous lower high, so and made a new higher low. So after that I was just not interested, even though I don't know if you guys saw my update on the YouTube shorts where I was like, okay, so I want the price to come back to this area, retest the previous structure point and all, and then we'll take a trade. But then obviously markets were closed because of the holidays and stuff, so I was not looking at the markets this last week, so never entered or never updated my chart and all. But yeah, so now we can literally delete everything because we have to do this analysis again, because now the daily is bullish and I think the 4 hour is 4 hour is bullish as well. So all three time frames are in sync. So maybe we'll look for entries next week for bulls. But yeah, as of now, this was GBPNZD. Next one is NZDUSD. So NZDUSD, we were waiting for the price to come back to this area, give me a rejection, and then we take a buy. But the price has never given me any rejection or any entry, so we were aiming for the next one, which was this one. So now the price is at the area of interest, beautifully rejected by the round psychological level, which is this one here. Rejection from the area of interest, and now the price has closed above the EMA. So this one is looking very good for next week. If we drop down to the 4 hour, then 4 hour is looking okay-ish, but we'll see. If we drop down to the lower time frames, then you see here, this was the lower high, right? This one here, 2 hour lower high, and then lower low. So price has broken above the previous lower high. So then now the price has come back to the previous lower high. It has given the bullish candle as well, engulfing candle, but obviously now we have to wait till Monday to enter this trade. We'll see how the market opens, and then we'll see for our entries what we need to do. So yeah, NZDUSD looking good for the next week for buys. Same with the GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, and 4 hour is bearish at the moment. Yep, bearish. Okay, but look at this beautiful rejection from the area of interest. But I still feel like that it might come back, or maybe give us another rejection or something from the EMA and the previous structure point. So it might come back to this area of interest and not this one. But if we do get our entry signal and all, and then we will be interested. But the only problem is, if you look at the 2 hour lower highs here, so we want the price to break this, come back, retest, and then go up. But obviously it's like a bit far from the area of interest, so I'll be careful on the 2 hour. If it dropped down to the 1 hour, then 1 hour not looking very clear to me. 30 minutes, yeah, I guess we'll just wait for the market to open on Monday, and then we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I was looking for the buys, so price has just come to our area, so it has made the doji as well, so looking good. But we'll wait for the Monday and then see if we get anything better on Monday. But yeah, so, and the last one was USDCAD, where the weekly was bearish, daily was bearish, and 4 hour was bearish as well. But now 4 hour has turned bullish. It has to turn bullish, because it had come to this area of interest. Like I said, that I'll only be interested if the price, I think price was here somewhere, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, yeah, price was here, and now it has come to our area of interest. Let's see if we get any rejection on Mondays. It has already rejected the previous structure point, area of interest. So 4 hour is looking okay. 2 hour is bullish, 1 hour also bullish, and 30 minutes is also bullish at the moment, or actually bearish. So yeah, 30 minute time frame has already shifted the structure. This was the high and this was the high low. Price has broken below the previous high low, so it might be ready. But yeah, these were the markets for the last year, last week. So nothing really happened, because there were too many holidays and not much volume. That's why like literally nothing happened. Only on the GBPNZD the price just went up. Otherwise, price just tapped into our area of interest on every other market. So yeah, hopefully things will get better from here. I'll be putting my analysis for the next week tomorrow or something. Not tomorrow, maybe on Sunday. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and have a safe trade.